The Disney list has arrived, and today it is all about Walt Disney World. More specifically, though, we are zeroing in on Disney Springs, the exciting shopping, recreation, nightlife, entertainment district at the Walt Disney World Resort. And today we are going to be asking the team what makes the most of their visit to Disney Springs at Walt Disney World. The team, of course, being Tyler Crouch, Katrina Manzone, Garrett Hassel, all hanging out with me here to talk about the magic of Disney Springs. This, of course, used to be the downtown Disney area of Orlando's property, and then several years ago got converted into this new oasis, this utopia of retail. Yes. And other things.
And Guy Fieri.
Get your chicken on. That's right.
Hey, that's bomb chicken. Don't be hating on that.
Don't be hating on that.
I'm not really hating on the chicken, but
polite pig, please.
Planet Hollywood. No,
Can we
thank
get?
you.
Oh my. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to see. A lot to experience there. But we are going to share with you some of the ways to make the most of your trip to Disney Springs. Some of the things that really stand out to us. Why don't we start with Garrett? What do you got for us, bud?
Well, I've done several vlogs on Disney Springs, and it's changed a lot throughout the years. And, you know, the number one thing that you can't experience anywhere else has to be Lululemon.
Lululemon.
Yeah.
No.
Woo.
Wow.
No, I used to work for Lululemon. You know, like, you just can't beat their stuff. No, don't go there. It has to be Gideon's Bakehouse. I absolutely love this place. Anytime I go there, I just need to get my half pound of cookie and just get cookie wasted because it is so delicious. There's a line always, but I promise you it is so worth it. It is amazing. When I took Ariel's family there, and her sister Madeline ate 2 of these cookies by herself in a matter of 12 hours.
Whoa.
And I was
Girl.
I was surprised. I said, Madeline, where's the other cookie? And she said, it's gone. I'm like, where?
It's in my belly.
I'm like, my gosh. And, you know, I'm a big guy, and everyone in Ariel's family is significantly smaller than me. So I was more impressed than angry that she ate 2 cookies by herself. I still got one myself. But Gideon's Bakehouse, it's to die for. Get it. I even got one of their metallic stickers. It's on my water jug. So that way, anytime I walk around, I can rep the Gideon. So yeah, get some Gideon's Bakehouse. It was shown to me by my best friend Brendan and his wife Molly. So Brendan and Molly, thank you. They showed me the original location, and they took me to this new one. So yeah, Gideon's Bakehouse, special place in my heart.
Great suggestion. There's always a line out the door. People are always ready for some Gideons, that's for sure. I know.
Smells good.
I have also partaken in the Gideons a few times, and I've tried to go the route of 2 cookies in one sitting. It's like impossible.
No.
It's way too much. And,
have you guys
way
done
too
the
much.
hot cookie ice cream thing that they have, like the hot cookie hour?
I have not.
No, I have
God,
not
that
done
looks
it.
wild.
Oh my.
Like if I could eat it, I would do it.
I want that
You
now.
know, like the hot cookie and the cold ice cream, and then like then the ice cream gets in the cookie, and then it just like this like warm, yummy.
Ooey gooey perfection.
That sounds really good. If I could have it, I would do it.
Oh
But it's
my.
like only for an hour. Like I think it's just like literally just an hour.
I think that's why we've never done it too, because
like
it's
at
like
5 o'clock.
because I mean the line is like
Because they're not in
You got
demand
to time
enough.
it out. You got to
Yeah.
time that thing out right.
yeah.
Let's make it even more of a limited time offer. I mean, the place itself feels limited time all the time because of the demand. And yeah, let's give a 1 hour window for something so amazing sounding. My gosh, come on, Gideons, what are you doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing, Tyler? A way in which you make the most of your time at Disney Springs.
I think the way to make the most of your time is to actually go at nighttime.
Oh.
I think that if you are going during the day, you can have a nice time there, but I feel that most of the restaurants kind of cater more to like a dinner setting, personally. I mean, they do have like Chicken Guy for lunch, or you can go to Deluxe Burger, Blaze, or something like that. Like, yeah, there's plenty of lunch things there too, but not only are you going to be in the hot sun while you're walking around that mall, but also there's just a lot less entertainment. If you're there at night, there's plenty of live entertainment, and if you're lucky, you can even run into, now I'm going to blank on his name, Eddie Maserati, who doesn't even work at, he has nothing to do with Disney.
Nope.
And he just wears pins and jean jacket and
short shorts
and he dances at all of these
sparkly outfit.
He's
with
like
his hat.
The unofficial mayor of Disney Springs.
He really is.
He dances. That's the cutest part. Is every time there's music, he's just dancing, having a ball.
Boogie.
It's a sight
He's
to
the best.
behold.
He is so nice too. He is so nice.
You hang out with him often, Garrett?
You know,
Mr.
he and
Maserati,
I,
come
like,
with
I'm trying to get matching jackets. I want to, he's got the Maserati and the Ferrari. I'm trying to see if he can get like something embroidered with like a Porsche on there. So we're trying to work out something.
Awesome. Can't wait to see
But
that.
yeah, he and I are besties.
Nice.
You seem like you'd be real close. That's great.
Yeah, we boogie on out.
Do you have a jacket with a lot of pins on it?
Not at the moment. It's in the
Okay.
shop.
But you have
It's
the
in the
short
shop.
shorts.
It's in the
though.
shop. Yeah, that's where I put
Party too
all my
hard, some of
jackets
the
go to the
pins pop
shop.
out.
Yeah.
But the short shorts, we know it. We've seen it.
But to finish up on my nighttime thought process too is like we were talking about Gideon's earlier. It's like I feel that way. Like that's the time when you're in Florida. The time to eat something sweet and heavy is like at night. Don't do yourself a favor and do not eat in the middle of the day
Or for
when the sun
breakfast.
is like beating down on you and making you feel bad about all of your choices. So
Makes
like,
it a colorful picture.
so that's the fun thing about going at night too, is it's like they've got bars like the Hangar Bar that is just like a nice, you can just pop in, walk up to the bar, get a to-go drink, walk around the rest of Disney Springs, get a Gideon's, go get sprinkles. I think that's just like the prime time to check out all the stuff. And then at the very end you can go to Adventurers Club and the Comedy Club. No, actually, I'm sorry.
Oh.
What?
And
Oh.
Pleasure Island's gone, brother.
It's
I
gone.
thought you were about to say
Thanks
Disney
a
Quest
lot.
too. We'll finish
So-
up the night.
Disney Quest. I miss Disney Quest. That
Hey, no,
you know.
we're doing the NBA experience.
No.
I think it really did well.
No.
That
Michael
doesn't
Eisner
exist.
misses Disney Quest. That's for sure.
Hello?
It was stuck in the 90s, but it
Michael
was
is.
amazing, even to
Oh,
to
yeah.
the day it closed. But yeah, Disney Springs, great time. I would say the only thing I was gonna say a second one, but I'm just gonna throw it out.
Throw
real
it
quick.
out there. Go.
Avoid T-Rex Cafe at all costs.
Why would you say that?
Whatever you do not go to T-Rex Cafe
Why?
ever. Even
Whoa.
if your kids are insistent on going to like one of these themed restaurants, at least like Rainforest Cafe is at least a little bit better.
Disown the children.
Just don't go. Tell your kids that the T-Rexes will eat them if you go. Don't go. I'm telling you.
Parent.
Okay.
That's why
Parent
nobody
of the
walks
year
out of
over
there.
this guy.
Yeah. Good
Just-
luck to those kids.
Just remember what I said. When you get dragged to T-Rex Cafe and you're like, why did I come here? Remember my face and remember what I told you.
Well, there it is. Parenting
The, pro- the,
advice.
pro- the prophet Tyler.
That's right. Prophet Tyler, parenting advice from the theme park analyst himself.
That's right.
That's right.
guy.
Go to Rainforest Cafe, he says.
If you have
If
to.
you have
If
to.
you have to. That's the second one. That's the second from the bottom. However, it's not the bottom like T-Rex Cafe is.
Seems like that was the headline for the comment was go to Rainforest Cafe.
Because
Tyler-
TK is a little bit above T-Rex, but then like Rainforest Cafe is like a little bit above STK.
and Blaze Pizza is right in between. No, I'm just kidding. It's outstanding.
I would rather go to Blaze than
I
if
would
you,
too.
Oh my God, he's
it's
gonna go on a
incredible.
He
tangent
will.
just like Smuggler's Run.
Rein it in,
Don't even
Tyler. It's
start.
okay. We're just
don't
playing.
Calm down.
Don't go.
Don't go.
Save yourself.
Oh my. Katrina, a way in which you would make the most of your Disney Springs experience. What would you do?
Okay. You guys ready?
I would like to hear it.
Raglan Road. Just 100%.
Hey.
Oh.
Yeah,
All
Raglan
in.
Road is an Irish pub. It's so cool, and they have like Irish dancers they go inside and outside of the restaurant. So fun, and then they have like a band that sings outside. It's always just like a fun vibe, and on top of it, they have a lot of gluten-free stuff. Like literally
Yeah.
90% of their menu can be made gluten-free. And they have gluten-free fish and chips. They have gluten-free onion rings. They have gluten-free a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm obsessed. So I always want to go and just get onion rings and eat them. And I'm not used to eating like tons of fried foods. Then my mouth gets like ripped up because of crunchy items. And then they're so good because they're like light and fluffy. And they use just like, I think it's just like the gluten-free flour and then like club soda, I think is what they said.
Wow.
And love.
And love.
So
Naturally.
it's so good, so great, and they have like tons of food, and just it's really fun like when you sit inside the main area because they just have like a little like duel of Irish dancers, and then they have like a really cool bar too. So if you don't have reservations, they have a pretty like massive bar where you can just kind of like pop in and see if they have like a seat over there. But it's always good. It's always for a fun time. But if you get headaches, then maybe not go inside, but eat outside.
The acoustics in that
The
place,
acoustics is very, very loud.
Yeah.
But it's always really fun. And I love seeing the kids' faces because they're like mesmerized by their feet. They're like, as they're like dancing and doing like a little duel.
How can they do that?
Oh my gosh, they do. They move really fast. I'm even mesmerized. I was like, what's happening? But
It is
anyway, it's
magical.
great.
Well, and the last time we went there too, we sat on the outside patio where they had just a nice little band set up.
Yeah, it was really
And
relaxing.
they were taking recommendations. They were taking requests, and I asked them to play like Mumford and Sons Little Lion Man, and it was banging.
And they made
Really
it
good time.
PG.
And yeah,
Naturally.
they took out the.
They were really good too. I was like,
F
how?
word.
How do you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
A whole lot of the F word. Fun.
Yeah,
That's right.
that's right.
Yes. And I would suggest that if you are looking to maximize your experience in Disney Springs, head on over to the Coca-Cola building, right across from the beautiful Chicken Guys quick service option. 3 stories of Coca-Cola masterpiece. Second floor, meet the dang polar bear that you know you want to take a picture with.
Wow.
And then head on up to the 3rd floor open penthouse deck that takes a look out onto Disney Springs. Get yourself a Coke float,
Whoa, whoa,
a
whoa.
libation. Enjoy
What about
the
Beverly?
scenery. Enjoy the beauty of the nearby waterways, the giant balloon that you can take up into the air just alongside the waterfront. There is such a moment to be had at the top of the Coca-Cola building. Highly suggested. How do you make the most of your trip to Disney Springs? We'd love to hear from you. Throw it down in them comments.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.